The year 2025 has brought massive changes to digital banking, and Neon Bank continues to stand out as one of the strongest players in the neobank industry. Known for its sleek app design, zero hidden charges, and reliable customer experience, Neon Bank has redefined what modern banking looks like for both individuals and small business owners. This review breaks down everything that matters, from account setup and usability to security, performance, and customer satisfaction, so viewers can get a full picture of what Neon offers in 2025. Starting with account creation, Neon Bank makes onboarding incredibly fast. Within minutes, users can sign up, verify their identity, and start banking right from their mobile device without ever stepping into a branch. The process is smooth, thanks to improved biometric verification and AI-assisted ID checks that reduce errors and waiting time. The 2025 update also brought in a redesigned interface that focuses on simplicity and speed, giving users a better overview of their balance, spending, and savings goals at a glance. One of the biggest selling points for Neon this year is its fee transparency. There are no maintenance or hidden service charges. International transactions have become cheaper due to Neon's new global partnership network, which cuts conversion costs and improves real-time exchange rates. For travelers and remote workers, this feature makes a significant difference compared to traditional banks that still rely on inflated FX fees. Security remains a top priority. Neon Bank uses end-to-end encryption, real-time fraud monitoring, and device-level authentication. In 2025, they also launched an AI-driven anomaly detection system that alerts users instantly when any unusual activity is noticed. This has helped the bank achieve one of the lowest fraud rates among digital-only banks, giving users more confidence to store and move their money. Customer support has improved noticeably. The live chat system now operates 24/7 with real agents, not just automated bots. Response times are faster, and issues like card freezing, payment disputes, or transaction delays are resolved more efficiently. Users also appreciate the community-based support feature, where verified customers can share practical solutions and banking tips within the app. In terms of features, Neon's budgeting and savings tools are among the most advanced this year. The Smart Save feature automatically rounds up every transaction to the nearest unit and moves the difference into a savings vault. There's also the Neon Rewards program that gives cashback and discounts on partner brands, making everyday spending more rewarding. Business users benefit from improved expense categorization, invoice automation, and team account permissions, which streamline financial management without needing external tools. Performance-wise, the app runs smoothly with fewer downtime incidents compared to last year. Updates roll out frequently, fixing bugs and adding new integrations. The user interface remains minimalist yet vibrant, with personalized dashboards and spending insights powered by AI. This helps users understand their financial habits and make smarter money decisions over time. Overall, Neon Bank in 2025 continues to outperform expectations. It's user-friendly, secure, and transparent, focusing on innovation that genuinely improves the customer experience. For anyone looking for a reliable, modern alternative to traditional banking, Neon remains one of the best options in the neobank space this year.